I'm just going to show you a real simple way to make this circlet that Karana made for her friend. It has these beautiful abalone discs on it and these cowrie shells. Her shells were olivella shells, and they're more like a snail shell. But we were able to get these and use them. They're nice and open. As you can see, they're already kind of nature pre-drilled for putting our sinew through. So for this, we need our shells and our sinew. And your first step is to take your sinew and match up the ends like this and fold it. And then with these open ends, for every shell that you put on, you're going to go at the shell from two directions like this. So for instance, we'll start with this beautiful abalone shell and make sure the ends are nice and pointed here, which is great. This sinew is great for that. And we're just going to poke through that shell from this side. And then with the other end, we're going to go at it from this side. And then we're just going to pull both of those ends and slide that disc all the way down till we're almost at the end. Alright, and then we'll just tie on both sides. We're going to put a knot on both sides of that. So to do that, we just fold it back on itself like this, like this, and then pull it through. Okay? And that keeps it in place. We're going to do that on this side of that abalone also. Just push that knot down next to it, like that. And now we're ready for a cowrie shell. So same principle. We have our two ends and a shell, and we're going to go into that shell from this direction and from this direction with our two ends. And then we're going to pull all the way through till it's next to that knot we made for the abalone disc. And then we're going to do another knot next to it. So just make a loop like this and then pull the rest of it through. Okay? So that's how you do that. Super simple. And you're just going to do that all the way up. You can stop halfway through and put an abalone disc on if you want to. Like this. Slide it down. Like that. And put your knot next to it. Pretty easy, huh? Keep going all the way until you get to the end. When you get to the end, you can just tie a knot at the end and cut off what's left, and then you can tie that around your head or around your neck.